Okay, so nandito na tayo sa fourth quarter ng grade 9 mathematics, which is first lesson of the Pythagorean theorem. So yung Pythagorean theorem, this is the one of the most proved theorems in mathematics. So ang nag-imbento po ng Pythagorean theorem ay ang mga Pythagoras. So Pythagoras is an ancient Greek mathematician and philosopher who was believed to first presented the idea to his students. So let us consider this right triangle ABC with a right angle C. So yung right angle natin C, itong may paganyan, tawag po dyan right angle. So ang tawag po natin dito sa dalawang side na to are leg. Okay po, leg. And then syempre yung tawag natin dito, ang longest side ng right triangle is the hypotenuse. Okay po, hypotenuse. So now, ang formula, let us get the square of each sides muna. So first, itong opposite ng angle A, ito yung side A. So ito yung side A. Ito opposite ng angle B, ito. So ito yung side B. And opposite ng angle C, ito. So ito yung side C. So yung value ng A natin dito is 3. So we have 3. Yung B natin dito is B natin is 4 and C natin is 5. Sorry, di ko nalagay 5 to 5. Po. So now get the square of each side. So pag in-square natin yan, square, square, square. So that is 3 squared is 9. And here is 16. And here is 25. So, ang sabi dito, the square of the, if we add the a squared and b squared, ang sum niyan is the square of the hypotenuse. So, ang sabi, in any right triangle, the square of the legs, pag in-square natin yung dalawang legs, is equal to the square of hypotenuse. So, kapag pinagad yun, 9 plus 16, 25. So, equal sa square ng hypotenuse. So, yung Pythagorean theorem can be written as a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared, where a and b are the legs. And ito naman pong c is the hypotenuse. Okay po. So, let us have an example finding the sides of a right triangle using the Pythagorean theorem. Nalimutan ko na itong Pythagorean theorem is applicable lang sa right triangle. Hindi siya pwede sa ibang triangle like oblique, acute, etc. Basta applicable lang ang Pythagorean theorem sa right triangle. So let us have an example. So first example, we have a triangle MAT. So first, let us identify the parts. So itong dalawang side na to, ang tawag natin ay leg. And then ito, yung longest side is the hypotenuse. So ang nawawala po is hypotenuse. So gagamitin natin yung Pythagorean theorem to find yung sukat ng isang hypotenuse. So yung opposite ng angle M, ito yon. So ito yung side M. Opposite ng angle T, ito yung side T. Opposite ng angle A, which is the right angle, ito yung side A. So, yung side A natin yung hinahanap. So, pwede natin isulat to as M squared plus T squared is equals to A squared, where M and T are the legs and A is the hypotenuse. Okay, now, substitute. M natin is 6 squared plus T natin is 8 squared is equals to copy the A squared. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. And then, simplify. 6 squared is 36 plus 8 squared is 64 is equals to A squared. And then 36 plus 100 is 100. And then, to get the value of A, we need to extract both sides or square root both sides. Cancel. So, we have A is equals to square root ng 100, that is 10. So, hindi natin kukunin yung negative na root kasi wala namang negative na measure. So, positive lang yung kukunin natin. So, the side A measures 10. Okay po. So, yun po yung Pythagorean theorem.